Student, in your textbook, question number 1.7, it says that it is given as you have minus q plus q charges. You have to calculate total force on each charge. Means A, B, C. Force on charge at minus A, at B, and at C. So first thing, it is positive, negative. It will attract each other. So this way, it will be F, B, A. This way will be F, C, A. This way will be F, A, B. This will be F, C, B. This will be F, B, C. And sorry, not this way. This will be this direction. Means this way, F, B, C, B. And FB is not this way, this way. So ultimately this way means F, B, C. And this will be your F, A, C. So we have to calculate these individual forces first. First your FAB will be, this will given the positive negative direction. Positive, negative, they will attract each other. This will pull, negative will pull positive this side. But these two positive charge will repel. Means this positive repulsion is going on. This charge, this force will go this side and this force will go this side. So first FBA. FB equal given by 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. And this equal triangle of side L is given. F 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q square by L square in direction of AB along AB. F CA equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q square by L square along CA means same along AC. So force on A is given by vector sum of FBA and FCA. FBA plus FC. What is the vector sum of FBA and FCA? FBA force is given by that you cannot do. We have to calculate using this is 30 degree, this is 60 degree. So it will be FA vector equal FA equal to square root of FBA square plus FCA square plus 2 FBA FCA cos 60 degree. Okay, these two values are same. So we can write FBA square plus 2 FBA square plus FBA square cos 60. Okay, so 2 FBA square means we can take this is common, which implies F is given by root 2 FBA into root over of 1 plus cos 60 degree equal to root 2 FBA 1 plus cos theta means 2 cos theta root over of 2 cos square theta will be 30 degree. So root 2 means 2 FBA cos 30. 2 FB is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q square by L square cos 30 half cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 root 3 by 2. So it will be root 3 Q square by 4 pi epsilon naught L square along this middle direction, along bisector of angle A. This is the force on A. Force on A is given by this expression. Similarly, we can calculate force on B, C. First, if we calculate FCB, then FBA. Then again, vector sum. Vector will be this way, resultant, and for C, result will be this direction. Okay. So this two you can do calculate. Okay.